Once upon a time, in a lush green meadow, lived a cheerful family of 5 little ducklings. There was Dilly, the daring one; Daffy, who loved to twirl and dance; Pip, who was always peeping; Squeaky, the quietest of them all; and Waddle, who waddled more than any duckling ever had. They spent their days splashing in the cool pond, chasing butterflies through tall grasses, and playing under the golden sun. One warm morning, as the ducklings waddled toward their favorite puddle, they heard a low growl. It was Claw, the big, grumpy farm cat. He crouched by the path, tail flicking, yellow eyes gleaming. Claw loved to sneak up on the ducklings, make them squeal, and chase them for fun. They were always a little afraid of him. "Meow!" Claw snarled. "Here come the waddlers! So small, so slow, I could chase you all day!" The ducklings froze. Their little hearts pounded. Claw was big. Claw was fast. What could they do? Dilly, the daring one, spoke up first. "Let's stick together," she whispered. Daffy nodded. "Yes, if we stay close, he won't know who to chase." So the 5 ducklings pressed in tight. They waddled side by side, beaks up, wings brushing. To Claw, they no longer looked like 5 little snacks. Instead, they looked like one big, fluffy, waddling creature. Claw blinked. He tilted his head. What was that thing? He tried to pounce, but the ducklings waddled as one. Every time he lunged, they bobbled away in perfect harmony. He couldn't single out just one to chase, and he kept stumbling over their bunched-up wobble. They quacked together loud and proud. Quack! 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 Claw skidded to a stop, startled. He flattened his ears. "This isn't any fun," he snapped. "You're too lumpy." With a huff, Claw turned and slunk off through the tall grass. The ducklings burst into giggles and flopped into their puddle, proud and relieved. That day, they learned something very special. Even though they were small, when they stuck together, they were strong. From that day on, whenever they saw Claw nearby, they huddled close without a word. And Claw, seeing their united front, would just sigh and pat away, knowing he didn't stand a chance. Because the ducklings knew, and Claw knew too. Together, they were strong. And that was the end of the story. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later. Bye-bye.